Tips and tricks to build your wealth. Building wealth is a long-term process that requires discipline, patience, and a solid understanding of financial management. Here are a few tips and tricks to help you build your wealth. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Start saving early. The power of compound interest cannot be overstated. Starting to save and invest early gives your money more time to grow. Even small amounts can grow into significant wealth over time. Budget wisely. Keep track of your income and expenses. Create a budget to control your spending and ensure you're saving a portion of your income. There are many apps and software that can help you with this. Invest. Saving alone isn't enough. To grow your wealth, you must invest. This could be in the stock market, real estate, or in your own business. Diversifying your investments can also help reduce risk. Before you start investing, determine your financial goals. This will help you decide where to invest. For instance, if you're saving for retirement, you might consider long-term investments like stocks or mutual funds. For short-term goals, like saving for a down payment on a house, safer investments like bonds or money market funds might be more appropriate. Maximize your income. Look for ways to increase your income. This could be by seeking promotions or raises, developing multiple income streams, or starting a side business. Minimize debt. High-interest debt, especially from credit cards, can seriously inhibit your ability to build wealth. Pay off your debts as quickly as possible and avoid incurring unnecessary debt. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. If possible, maximize contributions to retirement accounts like 400 and Onex and IRAs. The tax advantages these accounts offer can significantly boost your wealth growth. Continue learning. Stay informed about financial matters. Read books, take courses, listen to podcasts, or even hire a financial advisor. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Patience is key. Building wealth takes time. Don't be discouraged by short-term setbacks or slow progress. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Live below your means. This doesn't mean you have to skimp on everything, but rather make conscious choices to save money where you can. It can be as simple as choosing to cook at home more often, or opting for a used car instead of a new one. Plan for the future. Think about your long-term financial goals. Do you want to buy a house, retire early, travel the world? Having clear goals can help guide your saving and investing decisions. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a sprint. Making steady progress towards your financial goals is more important than trying to get rich quick. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.